guys, here comes our boat trip video.
Where the kids?
Midget? Heel step? Yeah.
So guys, we are now having our boat tour, and apparently it's a very nice weather and quite entertaining. We just be in a big boat, and it's very spacious in the sense that a child, so baby Rafiki, can just walk up and down and in the boat. And outside the boat you have to be very keen because the bars are very wide apart. But all in all, yeah, we're enjoying just a day out, just the four of us.
I think it's good according to venye walikuwa wamesema na pia yeye.
This has been a summary of our short day out, including a boat trip through the waters of the Biesbosch and having...
The water of what?
Biesbosch?
Biesbosch.
Biesbosch? Biesbosch.
No, Biesbosch.
Biesbosch waters. Here we show you the map of the Netherlands, where it is located. And afterwards we had a walk and we played, as you have seen, a round of midget golf. But we were outplayed by Tembo, because he's tiny and it's tiny golf, so it's made for little men.
And faster as we are getting.
Concrete.
Yeah, thank you.
He needs to do a victory pee. So stay tuned for new videos with our activities. We are brainstorming what to do next. Subscribe, like, share, click the bell. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!
Bye bye!
Stay looking this video!
Yeah.
Bye to Midget School! Bye!